Please take a second to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hello beaders, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. Now we'll be using two different colors of sand beads. I'll be using baby pink and hot pink, a pair of scissors and a fish line. Now let's get straight to business. Now I'll be cutting a nice fish line, a nice length of fish line that you can work with, you can comfortably work with. Alright, then you put them together. After cutting, you put both ends together. Then you tie the end. After putting it together, you fold it and tie the end. We are tying what you're seeing. You tie them. We are tying the end because we'll be picking beads with both of the fish line, both sides of the fish line, and we don't want it to fall away. That's why we're tying the end. Okay. After tying the end, you put it together again. You put both sides of the fish line together, both ends of the fish line together. Then you start by picking 6 of the baby pink color of the sand beads. Make sure the fish line are together. Then you start by picking 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now after picking 6 of the baby pink color, you pull it down. Then now, after pulling it down, we are separating the both sides, the both ends. Then you use one end to pick 5 of the baby pink color. One end, you use it to pick 5, and you add 1 hot pink. 1, making a 6. You add 1 hot pink. Okay, after adding 1 hot pink, you will pass your fish line backwards through the last baby pink color picked before the hot pink, as you can see. Then you pull it up. Okay, this being done, we are going to do the same for the other side of the fish line. We are picking another 5, then 1 hot pink, okay. Afterwards, you pass your fish line backwards through the last baby pink bead picked before the hot pink. Then you pull your fish line upwards. You should be getting the shape of a Y. Okay. Now, with one side of a fish line, you pick another 4. You pick 4 baby pink color of the fish, of the sand bead. Then you pick another 4 with the other side. Three, 4. Okay. Make sure you have 4 for both sides of the fish line. This being done, we are picking 1 hot pink bead. 1 hot pink bead. You pick, then you use the other side of your fish line to cross over by passing it through the other end. then you pull it down. This is what you should get. This is what you should get after crossing it. We are repeating what we did by picking another 5. You pick 5, then 1 heart pink, making it 6. Making it 6. After picking the 5 and 1 heart pink, you pass your fish line backwards through the last baby pink bead picked. Then you pull your fish line upwards. You do the same for the other side of your fish line. It's just simple, it's just about repetition. We are picking another 5 for the other side of your fish line. Then you pick 1 heart pink, 1 fine heart pink. Then you pass your fish line backwards through the last baby pink bead picked before the heart pink. Alright. After this, you pick 4 baby pink beads for each side of your fish line. You pick 4 baby pink beads, 4 for each side of your fish line. Okay, then you pick 1 heart pink and cross over with the other side of your fish line like this. Then you pull it down. Like I said, it's all about repetition. This is what you're going to repeat until you get the desired length of yours. It's a bracelet. You can use it as a choker. It's all about repetition. You pick another 5, 1 heart pink, making a 6. Then you pass your fish line backwards through the last baby pink bead picked before the heart pink. Then you do the same for the other side of your fish line. Okay. As usual, you pass it backwards to the last baby pink bead picked. Four for both sides. 4 for both sides. You pick 4 for both sides. Then you pick 1 heart pink and cross over with the other side of your fish line and pull it down. Okay. We are repeating what we've been doing until you get the desired length you want. You'll be repeating until you get the length you desire or you want. depending on the size of your hand or your neck if you're doing a choker. This is a simple design that if you follow what I'm doing, you'll be able to do. You pick another 4 for both sides. You pick 4 for both sides. Pick 4 for each of the both sides. So this being done, we have 4 for both sides. You pick one heart pink and cross over with the other side of your fish line and pull it down. So like I said, to your desired length. Now the last one, after picking your 4, we are repeating what we started with by putting your fish line together. Then you pick 6 of the baby pink beads. You put your fish line together, both of them together. Then you pick 6 of the baby pink beads. Like I said, you do this according to the size of your breast. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.